You can be the fittest runner on the starting line and still fail if you rely on willpower instead of a system. Here is how to build a bulletproof race protocol. A race protocol is not a strategy. A strategy is a vague hope. A protocol is a strict set of operating rules that removes decision-making when your brain is starved of oxygen. Most runners fail due to the execution gap. You have the fitness, but cognitive overload, adrenaline, and weather variables degrade your IQ on race morning. Your protocol acts as an external brain. It replaces subjective questions like, "How do I feel?" with objective commands like, "What does the rule say?" We divide the protocol into 3 operational phases: logistics, pre-race, constraints, the start, and execution, the grind. Phase 1 is the setup. This covers sleep banking and gut priming. Your breakfast timing must be calculated backward from the gun time, not when you wake up. Phase 2 is fueling. This is non-negotiable. For female runners especially, the physiological cost of missed fueling is higher, triggering hormonal stress responses that kill performance significantly faster than in men. Phase 3 is the start cap. Adrenaline will make your goal pace feel effortless. This is a lie. Your protocol must include a speed limit for the first 20% of the race. If you run 10 seconds too fast per mile early on, you don't bank time. You burn glycogen exponentially, costing you minutes in the second half. Finally, the decision rule. When it hurts at mile 20, you don't decide what to do. The decision was made yesterday. You hold form and increase cadence. Here is your 6-point SOP skeleton. Screenshot this. Customize the specific numbers for your fitness, but never remove a step. Don't decide. Execute. See you next week.